Good morning, beloved. This is Dr. Renette Kruger from South Africa. And I just want to bring up something that I think is rather important for us in this generation. If you are in the age gap of 30 to 70, maybe older, I just want to tell you, you are the fourth generation. The fourth generation of what? Well, science now confirms what Scripture said first. Trauma echoes through 4 generations. We have the Holocaust studies. That was the first to prove it. Then there's the World War II families, the German families, the Allied families, the refugee families, the African families, South African families, and then suddenly the picture becomes clear. The entire world alive today is the 4th generation after World War I, World War II, the Holocaust, and in South Africa, the Anglo-Boer War. And then no wonder the world feels tense. People are overwhelmed. Anxiety is everywhere. Relationships feel fragile. Our bodies carry weariness we cannot explain. Nations feel unstable. Faith is contested. Our hearts long for rest we've never tasted. We are carrying stories our great-grandparents never healed. Their fear, their loss, their hunger, their grief, their silence, their survival patterns. But there is hope. We are the first generation with language for this. We are the first generation with science to prove it. We are the first generation free to speak the unspeakable. We are the generation called to heal what they could not, because they didn't have the language, the science, the backup. We are the 4th generation. We are not cursed. We are not doomed, but we are chosen by God to break what broke them. We are the ones who get to stop the echo. We are the ones who get to restore the line. We are the ones who get to bring the buried stories to Jesus. And we are the ones who get to rewrite the legacy, our own as well. And perhaps that is why you feel such a deep call to heal. Not because you are weak, but because your bloodline has waited 4 generations for someone like you to rise. Now is the time, ladies. Now is the time, beloved. Let us rise. Let us do this. Together we can. Shalom for now.